Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Jape or John. Hope you guys do enjoy this new episode. And guys, what I want to go into today is how you can go from 0 to 30K a month in your moving company. Now, this can apply to all home service. So I want to go and show you guys, I did last month 349K in a month with my home service company. It's one of the simplest businesses that you can really run. And it's pretty straightforward, like where you can make money tomorrow. And if you just get started, right? This is a cash flow machine. The good thing about a moving company in specific is, it's a very cash flow heavy business and it's very simple to set up if you do it the right way. So if we go into here, so we have the, this is, 0 to 30K a month, the dead simple funnel, right? You have the top of funnel. Now, if I was just getting started, what I would do is you don't really need to build out a product, right? When you have a moving company, you have 2 guys and you have a truck, right? You get your truck from U-Haul, you get 2 guys, a couple of your buddies, right? Now, what does a 30K a month company look like? It looks like this. So if we go into here, this is what a 30K a month moving company looks like. As you can see, 27 jobs. That's about 1 job a day. And then of course you can stack them and whatever, but 27 jobs total is a 30K per month moving company. It's super, most of the calendar right here, you're not even working and you're making 30K a month with your moving company, which is kind of insane. But like I said, this is exactly what, a 30K per month moving company looks like. So it's not very, you can make it work, right? You can make this work on the side. You can make it work like after, on the weekends at your job. You can make an extra 20, 30K a month just doing this on the weekends if you have this set up right. So what I want to go into is the top of funnel, right? The Facebook ads. So Facebook ads, Google pay-per-click, and Google LSA. Now, what I recommend is immediately getting your Google business profile set up. That's where you're going to get all your business. That's what I if I have a business, I legitimately think my business is not a business unless I have a Google business profile. So the first thing I would do is get a Google business profile and get your website. Now, I could go back into you need, at the end of the day, you need an LLC. Like I would put it into an LLC, super simple to create. And you also need an EIN. You just go to irs.gov and get your EIN. And then you get a business bank account. You get those 3 things and you have a business, and then you get your Google business profile. So I don't even think I have a business unless I have a Google business profile, and you start stacking up those reviews. As you see in my previous video, you see how I get reviews. And you just let your guys know, like this is like super simple business. Like it's very down to earth. And like your average ticket should be like $1,000. So like if you go out on the weekend, or if you're doing this as a side thing from like trying to just make an extra 20, 30K a month, right? It sounds crazy, but you can do it. It's totally possible. So you got the top of funnel, you have your Facebook ads, you have your Google pay-per-click, Google LSA, Google business profile, and and that's how you drive all your traffic, right? You want to think of it like you drive all your traffic to a website or a landing page. So like what you can do then is like on your website, you can just build this in Lovable, right? You can build a super simple website and then get a domain on Namecheap. So go to namecheap.com, find a domain for whatever your moving company is called, connect it on Lovable, and then you just use AI to create that website. Now, it's not going to be SEO optimized. So that's like this. Like I said, this is how to get to 0 to 30K a month to make a beautiful 30K a month business. You're not going to be SEO optimized, but what you are going to have is you're going to have a landing page, and then you can drive traffic to that landing page, if that makes sense. Now, when I'm saying all these big words like traffic and stuff like that, like traffic is just eyeballs. So like whether it's in Facebook, like on Facebook groups, like free ways to advertise would be like going in Facebook groups and saying, every single day going in each one of your local Facebook groups and being like, hey, I offer this service. I offer moving services. I offer lawn care services. Because like you can really just offer these things and really not have much. I offer pressure washing services. I offer whatever it is you offer. Like the good thing about these home service businesses is that you don't really need to build out your product, right? You have something already, right? You have, it's what it is it's low skilled labor. But you can charge a premium for it because of just nobody's willing to do it and nobody wants to do it. And that's why you can charge a premium for it. So knowing how to charge your service, don't undercut yourself. Because if you undercut yourself and you go out and you start doing these jobs and you're like, dang, this isn't even worth the money, up your prices, bro. Charge $170 an hour for you and another guy to come out on the weekend and move a couch. when I was just starting, I charged a person I was like, because I was doing moving jobs all the time at this point. I was making really good money. And I was like, we moved a dresser from one room to the other for $640. People are willing to pay that. You have to be like, because you have to realize that you have the leverage here because nobody wants to do it or they can't do it. So anyways, went off on a little bit of a tangent right there, but you have the top of funnel Facebook, then you have your website you built out on Lovable, right? So now you have your Google business profile. You started posting on Facebook, getting the organic leads from Facebook, just in Facebook groups, and then you have your website that you're driving your traffic to, and then you want to drive from your website. Once you drive into the traffic to the website, that needs to convert over into a CRM. Now, I would instantly get away. A lot of people just write it down in their notes. I would instantly get Jobber or Smart Moving. So Jobber is going to be it's like the most well-rounded CRM, if that makes sense. This is the most well-rounded. It's a very good startup CRM, and it's inexpensive. It's relatively inexpensive. You can get it for like $99 a month. And Smart Moving is more expensive, but is more moving company focused. So whichever one you choose, I would check out both. I would check out other CRMs, but these are my two recommendations. I started off on Jobber and then I transferred over to Smart Moving once operations got really serious and I started doing really big numbers. But like I said, this is for 0 to 30K a month. If I was starting again, I would still use Jobber. Because it's just inexpensive and I could, it was inexpensive. So now you have all the website traffic when they they want to fill out a form, right? So if I go to like one of my landing pages, this is like what I would drive traffic to. Right here, this is what I would drive traffic to. And you can literally just speak this to your phone. You could go to this website and screenshot it in Lovable and be like, hey, make me a website similar to this one. And then whichever CRM that you have, whether it's Jobber or Smart Moving, be like, hey, I need to connect this to all my leads go into Smart Moving. And you just speak to it. So that's why it's so simple. You don't have to have any website skills. You don't have to have any of that. And that's why it's so good. So this is what an example landing page looks like that I send traffic to. So you just can scroll through here. You can literally just take mine and be like, yo, make me something like this. And you don't have to have any technical skills. Now you want to do the sales. So once they come into your CRM, they'll come in as a new lead, right? So you'll see the leads coming in, and it's very important when you have these new leads coming in that you call them right away. Like you want to get on the phone in less than 5 minutes because especially with moving company leads, even like lawn care leads or pressure washing leads or any of that, like you have to call these guys within 5 minutes. If you don't call these guys within 5 minutes, it's going to be near impossible. Now you still can, don't get me wrong, people are going to answer, but you can get that under 5 minutes. You see it pop up on your phone, you have a new lead notification come up on your phone, call, bro, call. Just fucking be on the phone, be behind your computer, be watching some YouTube or whatever and be like, new lead, call, right? And you call that within 5 minutes. Or you get your mom or you get somebody that's like, hey, I'll pay you, whatever per close. If you can just see this new lead and call them within 5 minutes with whatever you're doing. Simple as that. So call the leads and then, you send out the estimate and then, you try to close them over the phone. And then the operations, right? You do the rentals, storage unit. So I would start out with a storage unit. What I would do is I would get a $150 a month, $200 a month, right? Storage unit. And I'd be like, hey, I want to get this storage unit and run all your operations out of there. Have your guys meet up at the storage unit. Like this can be a very lean operation. I started it out of my dad's garage. So I didn't even have to pay $150. If you have a spare garage where you can run shit out of, hey, that's freaking sick, dude. Use your advantages. So rental trucks, storage unit, and then schedule and run the move. Then you get your guys to meet up there. You get the rental truck in the morning, and you go service the move, and then you sit back and be like, I got 2 guys and 1 truck out on the move. I'm gonna make $1,000 a day. I pay my guys, $100 each for the day, $200 plus the rental, $300. You profit $700, right? And you can do this all organically, which is the good thing. Like I started off with organic for the first 2 years of my business. I didn't even run paid ads. So if you want to run a 30K per month moving company, this is how you do it. And then customer service. Now, let's say at the end of the job, so it goes from operations to customer service. And let's just zoom out on here, now you want to get the Google reviews. So this is where you get your reviews up. This is where you get your repeat referrals. So at the end of the move, you have your guys, you incentivize them. You're like, hey, here's a QR code. Use this QR code. And you can just go to your Google business profile. So if I go to my Google business profile, after, like I said, you get your Google business profile set up, you go in here and let's say ask for reviews. and then you take this QR code right here and you give this to your guys. So like, you can like save image as, and then send it to them as a text message. Be like, hey, this is the QR code, just show this to the customer. I'll give you an extra $10 for the day. I'll give you an extra $10, boom, bada bing, bada ba, and you're good, bro, you're good. And then now that's how you build up your Google profile over time. Now, if you have a job, if you have something like that, dude, this is a great side hustle. Like this can make you so much great money, and it can make you an extra 30K a month. Like you can do this as a side hustle for the first year and then transition into your company, right? You can make an extra 20, 30K a month, and half of that be profit. 20K of that be profit if you run it right. Which is so great. And then you start building up those Google business profile reviews. Like you can just make it work. You can make it work. And yeah, I mean, that's basically, like I said, this is the 0 to 30K a month, how to start moving. Now, this is the broad area. There's also, little steps in between, but this is what I want to get your mind around is like top of funnel to website to CRM to sales, operations, customer service. Like this is what the flow looks like. This is the flow of business. Like this is the flow of what the whole thing looks like. So you can kind of wrap your head around it. Now there's little individual steps. If you want to join the Discord down below, we have a free Discord community for all of our guys, japemethod.com. Over the past few years, I've grown my company to over 350K per month. And this is what at a broad funnel, at a broad thing, this is what I do, right? It goes top of funnel, and top of funnel is basically your website, but it goes top of funnel, which is bring in the eyeballs, bring them somewhere, right? Push them somewhere, push them to a landing page, push them to a phone number, right? On your landing page, push them to a phone number indirectly. Like it's either a website or a phone number. Like I want to get that clear. It's like a website or a phone number that you push these guys to. Like when you're driving your traffic, like for example, if you're in these Facebook groups, you're driving your traffic from these Facebook groups, like to a phone number, like, hey, call me if you want this stuff or something like that. Call me, go to my website, fill out your information on our website if you're interested in what we have to offer. Then from your website, it takes their information once they fill out their website or they give you a phone call. You either manually put it in Jobber or Smart Moving, or it automatically goes in and it comes in as a new lead through the website. Then you reach out to them or you get the call, right? There's two ways that you're gonna get all this information. It's simple, a call or a website lead form. That's it. That's where you're gonna get your leads from. There's no other way. And then you run the operation, right? You run whether that's a phone call or a website lead. So yeah, two simple ways. And then you call them, you reach out to them, you close the job. You can quote through these CRMs or Smart Moving. So like you're like, how do I send a quote? How do I do all this? Just a CRM. Please get a CRM immediately off the rip. Don't do it out of your notes. Play the video game on your phone. I look at business as a video game on your phone or on a web app. Like, it's a video game on your phone, bro. That's how I can describe it. CRM is a video game on your phone for your business. And then you get the reviews, you get the repeat, the referral business. Hey, if you know anybody, like let us know. Like we'd love to service you. We'd love to get out and do all this stuff. We'd love to get out and get our name out in the community. We're a new and up and coming company. If you know anybody, here's our card. Here's our, we can get in referral programs and all that. But yeah, this is how you go to 0 to 30K a month. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope this can kind of wrap your head around what a moving company looks like. Like I said, we have Jape Method down below if y'all want to join. It's a free Discord community. And we have a ton of killers in there that are willing to help out and willing to do what to help each other out, right? We're building a community that's freaking awesome. So hope you guys did enjoy this episode. If you did, leave a like and a comment down below. I answer all my comments and I'm active in the Discord as well. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys enjoyed it, like, subscribe. Jape out. Peace.